game the event, and the event's about to start. I am currently here sa Seascape. We are here to have dinner with my dad's best friend's family. So, family friend. Nandito kami sa Maju. They are also our partners. So, if you want to come here for seafood, you can book with Resorts Book as well. So, I'll show you the inside of the restaurant. So, this is the back door. And then yung front, it's over here. This Maju. Yaw, ang hirap na ma-pronounce yung name. So, yan yung inside ng restaurant. Everything's okay naman, kaya lang yung Dolomite sobrang kita dito and wala na talaga yung bay view, so I think super sayang. Pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung itsura ngayon ng Manila Bay. Green na nakikita nyo, sand yan. Ayun o, sand siya. See? Wala na siyang bay. Wala nang bay. Hi guys, we finally checked in here sa Sheraton Manila. So this is a quick room tour. And say hi to my stuffed toy. So ganyan ang room ko for today's video. And for my view, it's the airport. Hello guys, this is day 2 of living alone. Pero ayun, I got ready kasi magkikita kami ng mga friends ko, magdi-dinner kami. Ang problema lang, hindi ko alam kung dadalhin ko yung camera para mag-vlog habang kumakain kasi what if uminom? Ay nako. Anyway, as in guys, wala talaga akong kasama sa kwarto. Tignan nyo. Oh, boobs. Cheers, bit. Hello?
Hinintay mo pang mag-hello.
Ay, ano ba?
Can you be my BF?
I'm here to chat and help out, but I can't be a boyfriend. Is there something?
By ChatGPT. Hello?
Bantayan niyo ako.
Charis.
Who paid?
Of course, hindi ako. Magbabayad ba ako dyan?
Ala, kamtsa ko.
Parang last na nakapunta ako dito, ano pa, 2018.
Eh? Ako last na punta ko dito, may jowa pa ako.
Baka mga ganong year din.
Oo nga no. May boyfriend pa ako ng 2018. Today is my last night here sa Sheraton. I am getting a spa mamaya at the Shine Spa. So, I'll take you guys with me. Hopefully, I can relax. And then while getting my massage done, I'm gonna let someone clean the room kasi ang gulo niya. See, ang gulo niya. Ayun. I'll see you guys later. Manood muna ako ng movie. Bye!
So, have you,
Thank you. Hello. Masarap yung cocktail nila. Parang 3 more glasses nito. Malalasing ako. Malalasing. Hi guys! Tapos na tayo mag-dry ng buhok ko. I'll do my skincare a bit. Mga 6 yung massage. I'll do a light skincare. Ayoko mag-makeup kasi massage siya guys. Sino na may impress ko dun? May impress ba? Charis. Yung lips ko kasi nagiging very chappy siya. So I'm using this one. I'm not sure kung anong brand to. But I'm using this. I also like putting this. I also got this from Healthy Options. And then, ito naman, nakakatawa kasi this is yung parang Vicks na oil roll-on. I like this. Kasi parang ang minty niya. Ayun lang. Ayun yung nagustuhan ko sa kanya. Minty siya. Perfume. Para fresh pa din ako. Kahit tapos na ako maligo. Ayun. So, I'll see you guys later sa spa.
we have here, so for 1 hour, you have,
Ask kasi yung muscle ko kasi madami siya.
magpapayad na tayo.